Are you thinking about buying your first home in the Ann Arbor area? If so, you're definitely going to want to sign up for the free first-time homebuyer crash course being held at Aubree's in Dexter on Wednesday, April 5th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Hi, I'm Andrew Westhof. I will be hosting the event. This is a completely free event. Dinner will be provided as well as one drink, and you'll get a ton of information, including how to avoid the most common first-time homebuyer mistakes, the steps for the home buying process from start to finish, so you'll leave with a game plan of exactly what you need for every step of the way to purchase your first home, as well as much more. I've held similar events many times in the past, and I've always gotten positive feedback from the attendees. They're always very happy that they came. But if I'm wrong, worst case scenario, you get free dinner and a free drink. Space is limited for this free event, so you should see a link below, a button below where you can click to reserve your spot, or there's a link in the video description as well. So I hope to see you at the event. Again, it's Wednesday, April 5th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And it's going to be chock full of information. Do yourself a favor if you're thinking about buying a home in the area and get registered today to reserve your spot. Thank you so much.